everybody, it's Roy from Coach12 and EpicDroid.com, and we're here today with the Poetic Revolution case for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Poetic makes a lot of great cases, and the Poetic Revolution is their most protective case. It's going to keep your device protected through just about anything. The case goes for around $25 on Amazon, and it comes in a wide variety of colors. We'll have links in the description down below where you can check it out for yourselves. Now, just a quick note, this S26 Ultra unfortunately is not a real S26 Ultra. I wasn't able to get my hands on one for this video here today, but I was able to get my hands on this dummy device. It is, for all intents and purposes, a real device. It just doesn't turn on. Now, as I mentioned, the Poetic Revolution is their most protective case, and that protection does come with a little bit of a price. The case is a little bit of a hassle to put on, and it's insanely difficult to take it off. Now, if you guys have a legitimate reason for taking it off, we'll have a link in the description down below where you guys can get a video with step-by-step instructions for you. So to put it on, we're going to go and flip it around. We're going to take off this little tab right here, take off this sticker, then we're going to take our finger and we're going to put it in this little notch right here. We're going to pull back on that. Once you've got that front-facing frame out, we're going to go ahead and set it down. We're going to take our phone and we're going to slide it in with the power and the volume buttons first. Once that's on, we're going to flip it over again, and we're going to take it with the USB-C charging port piece, and we're going to push that down here into the bottom. Make sure that's nice and secure, and push it down around the corners, and then presto, you are good to go. Now, as you can see there, it was quite difficult to take it on and off. However, the good news is once you have it on, it's never coming off, so that device is going to be protected. It has these extra thick bumpers here in the corners, has some extra nice thick layers here on the sides, makes it so if you're dropping it, it's going to be protected, the case isn't going to be popping off, and your device is going to be completely safe from harm. Here on the back, you will see that there is this little slider here. You pop that off to the side. It does stick in position there, so it's not going to be just flipping back really easily. You just have to kind of make sure it locks, and then it's going to be secure. Then it gives you access to your camera, your flash, and your other sensors. When you're done taking pictures, you just slide it back there, and as you can see there, it's nice and snug again. Also here on the back, you will see these raised feet that go across the back of the case there. That makes it so you can set that down and not have to worry about the device wobbling. Also here on the back, you will see it does have a little kickstand. You just stick your finger in this little notch right here, pull it back, lock it in place, and then you can use your device in a portrait mode or in a landscape mode on either side. When you're all done with that kickstand, you just put your finger in there, you pull that down, and push, lock it into place, and you're good to go. Here on the front of the device, you will see there is a nice deep cutout there that allows you to set that down without having to worry about your screen or a screen protector getting scratched up. And speaking of screen protectors, the device does come with 2 screen protectors in there, so those are tempered glass protectors. Just pull it out of that sleeve, follow the instructions, and stick it right onto your device, and your device is protected completely. And then if you do happen to damage your screen protector, it does have that extra one, as well as the screen protector accessories to help you in putting it on. Here on the bottom, you'll see a cutout for your microphone, your speaker, as well as for your S Pen, and then right here you have this little tab you can pull back to get access to your USB-C charging port. When you're not charging your device or you don't need access to that port, you can go ahead and you can close that up. That protects it from water and dust and still gives you that little teeny hole there for your microphone. Flipping around to the top, you will see a cutout for your noise canceling mic. And then here on the sides, you will see these power and these volume buttons. Those are labeled, they are easy to find, and they are very clicky and would be very responsive on a real device. Now, because of the thickness of the case and because of this little kickstand here, you can't use it with MagSafe or MagSafe accessories. However, you can use wireless charging with the case, so you are able to leave that port completely closed and never have to worry about dust or damage to it. Now, if this were a real device, you would see it immediately start charging. However, because it's not a real one, it's not going to. But having used this on several other devices, you can see that it does work in many of my other videos. All in all, it's a great case and it offers a great amount of peace of mind for your device. It makes it so that that expensive investment is going to be protected through just about everything. If you guys have any questions about the Poetic Revolution, about the S26 Ultra, or about anything else you've seen in this video here today, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and reply as soon as we're available. If you've enjoyed this video and if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.